You have to admit, it's a strange name, especially for a digital coin. A very unique name, of course, comes with very distinct attributes. That's all we could say for now. If you're mad enough to find out what we're talking about, just stay till the end. Hello and welcome to Crypto Millennial. Be a part of our channel by hitting subscribe and clicking the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Shiba Inu coin is experiencing an incredible increase and widespread support from a large group of investors. However, investors are still wondering if the coin will rise significantly soon. Let us find out in today's video. An introduction to Shiba Inu. Until around 7 years ago, few people were aware of the existence of an agile, medium-breed dog somewhere in Japan. Following that, when 2013 blew everyone's wits away by introducing a meme currency, it didn't end there. Dogecoin emerged on the market, starring the Shiba Inu, a Japanese dog breed. The year 2020 rattled the crypto industry once more with the appearance of a cryptocurrency bearing a dog breed in convention and logo. Quickly branded as the Dogecoin killer, the network is surely going to be highly competitive. Shiba Inu was founded in August 2020 by a mysterious creator known only as Ryoshi. At first sight, a cryptocurrency with a Shiba Inu dog as its mascot may appear to be a ripoff of Doge, but it really is worth checking. SHIB, being the network's native and initial token, is powered by the Ethereum blockchain, as opposed to Dogecoin, which operates on a comparable technology to Bitcoin. The tokens are meant to be fungible tokens to facilitate trading and exchange, similar to the ERC-20. In addition, it is a definite mechanism for writing and issuing smart contracts on the blockchain that operates on the Ethereum network. A crypto asset that satisfies all of an investor's or trader's market demands, whether it's accessibility, transaction speed, anonymity security, or a high value for money invested for the future. It may be accessed through a computer, smartphone, or website and requires no special skills or experience. It also meets customers' day-to-day needs, such as purchasing anything using credit cards, say at the grocery, or purchasing anything online using a wallet. One notable advantage of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency would be that it can be used to trade or exchange with Bitcoin or fiat currencies. Shiba token users also have the option of storing their free wallets and restocking their balance. In addition, traders gain access to the SHIB network on all reputable exchanges, such as Coinbase, Binance, and others, and the ability to convert SHIB to nearly any other coin. Shiba Inu Fundamental Analysis. Following SHIB, the network added the Leash token to its list. After debuting as a rebased token, the network rapidly shifted into fungible form, similar to the previous token. After releasing the token, the keys were burned and now the token has a fixed supply of 100,000. According to the network, anybody who maintains the currency's liquidity will earn special incentives. Thus, the network is very secure despite being in the market as a development project since Ethereum powers it. Furthermore, with Ethereum intending to shift from the POW to the POS consensus mechanism, we could anticipate Shiba Inu to benefit from this change. The network officially claims Uniswap is the safest exchange option for anyone looking to swap the SHIB and Leash. That is to say, while most CEX may freeze funds, a decentralized exchange is always suitable for trade at any time. Furthermore, the network's most recent initiative is titled Shiba Swap. It has its own decentralized exchange, where tokens can be easily swapped. According to the network, the DEX is now undergoing security testing, audits, and final modifications in preparation for its debut. The altcoin was placed on various exchanges to enhance liquidity in the market: WazirX, Uniswap, Binance, Qcoin, along with several more. In addition, Shiba Inu was listed on Coinbase Pro, one of the most guarded exchanges. If liquidity is available, trading will begin on June 17th, according to the exchange. Before we move on to what this video's for, how about we look at its history first, shall we? SHIB price history in a nutshell. Now, let's start by looking at SHIB's price history and see whether this may aid us in forming a prediction of the Shiba Inu coin price. It was valued somewhere in the region of 0.0000000001 cents when it arrived in August 2020. It remained at that level for the majority of the first 9 months of its existence. And then something interesting happened. In early May 2021, when Doge rallied, folks began to search for the next Doge, and many landed on SHIB. On Saturday Night Live, the day when Elon Musk appeared, the price skyrocketed from 0.00005246 to 0.00001883, an increase of roughly 260%. While Musk's presence on the American TV institution lowered the price of Doge, SHIB continued to rise, reaching an all-time high of 0.0000388 on May 10th. However, on May 19th, the crypto market took a massive fall, and SHIB was one of the casualties. It fell to 0.00007046 on May 21st, and while it rose to 0.00001159 on May 24th, it never returned to its high, trading at approximately 0.000007 on the morning of June 15th. Then, something big occurred that evening. The Coinbase exchange announced, much more to the shock of many experts, that it will list SHIB, causing the Shiba Inu coin price to climb from 0.00000728 to 0.00009331 in just over an hour. A 28% gain. Unfortunately, this rapid increase was followed by a drop in price, which stood at 0.00000079 on June 17th. But now how about the future? Let's have the thing that you all have been waiting for. Shiba Inu price predictions for 2021. Altcoins started trading only after 2021 despite its inception in 2020 at an unfavorable price. Similarly, when Butrin sold his SHIB tokens, the price plummeted to around 0.00001809 from 0.00003043. The market meltdown quickly wiped off a large percentage as the altcoin dropped to 0.00000913. The SHIB price has always swiftly reached the prime sides after being posted by any exchange. Following that, when Binance listed the token, the price began to rise. If more exchanges list SHIB in the following months, the price may erupt once again, maybe reaching 0.0000183. The meme currency, on the contrary, is a newcomer to the crypto market and is quite volatile. Therefore, unpredictability over investment and the margins might result in a lower price of 0.0000087 if SHIB increases volatility. If, on the other hand, the currency continues to trend in the market with its existing traders, the SHIB token price may fluctuate at values of 0.0000124. SHIB 5-year prediction. Shiba Inu seems to be a more community-driven network that has placed the bulls on the altcoin. As a result, if it can retain a comparable level of technology in the following years, it will be able to advance at a reasonable rate despite the lack of development. As a result, SHIB may trade at 0.0000561 at the end of the next 5 years on average. The meme coin movement is gaining traction among a wide range of investors. Furthermore, without adhering to any formality or process, if the meme currencies manage to maintain the momentum, the world may witness a stronger picture of a fun and friendly digital coin. As an outcome, the SHIB price might swing at 0.0000663. The network's liquidity is a serious issue, and if investors fail to maintain the levels, the network may be delisted from major exchanges. In such circumstances with FUD, the token price may crash to 0.0000457. Before we go any further, let us address the basic question. Is Shiba Inu a good investment? It definitely is, as it has demonstrated the ability to surprise investors with huge returns. If you invest well, there should be no need for disappointments or extravagant explanations. Indeed, Elon Musk has shown support for the SHIB token as a meme coin, referring to it as a Dogecoin killer. Before investing in any token, it is also advisable to get financial advice. Now that we've tackled all of the points, let's wrap up the video here. As you go, please do comment your thoughts down below, leave this video a like, share, and we'll see you on the next one.